how to make my microwave cookies. Gooey, delicious, and so easy. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, where today I'm making a very quick 6-ingredient, 5-minute dessert for 2, which is my microwave cookies. It's, as you can see, such a small amount of ingredients, 2 little ramekins, and in 5 minutes you have a gooey cookie. You can top with ice cream, sauce, whatever you want. It is so delicious, and I know you're gonna love them too. So I have a little bit of baking spread here, but room temperature butter works as well. I have some light brown soft sugar, but you can use caster sugar, golden caster sugar, anything you fancy. I have a medium egg, some plain flour, a little bit of vanilla extract, and then of course, whatever chocolate chips you fancy. This time I've gone for triple chocolate, but you can obviously choose your favorite. With mixing this, I just have a spatula and a bowl, and all I'm gonna do is beat together the butter and sugar, then add in the egg, flour, and vanilla and chocolate chips, mix to a paste, and portion between my 2 ramekins. So adding my butter to the bowl, and then the light brown sugar, and then I'm just gonna mix these together until combined. And now I'm gonna add my egg, and I'm gonna add a little splash of vanilla, and I'm just gonna mix these 2 together as well. And then I'm gonna add in my plain flour and mix to a cookie dough. And then I'm gonna add most of my chocolate chips, leaving a few for the top. And then mix these in as well. Lovely, thick, and perfect. These are just 2 ramekins from a set that I have that I'll link in the description box below, but the goo dessert jars or anything similar that's microwave safe, or even 2 small mugs, will work perfectly for this. Now my cookie dough has been split between the 2 pots, I'm just gonna add on the last few chocolate chips, just because I want a little bit of decoration, but also a little bit of melted chocolate on the top, which I just can't resist. But either way, they're ready to microwave. If you wanted, you could prep these in advance and now put these in the refrigerator until the evening when you want them, or you could freeze them in pots. They work really well either way, but when you're microwaving, they take between about 70 to 100 seconds. You just have to keep an eye on them, as all microwaves vary, but I do it on full power for about 70 seconds and then see if it's ready and then continue from there. And that is how you make an easy 5-minute dessert for 2 of my microwave cookies. They're gooey, delicious, perfect top with ice cream and a little drizzle of sauce, but either way, you're going to love them. I'll make sure to put the full recipe in the description box below, the link to the method. Any questions, leave them in the comments below. Give the video a thumbs up and then subscribe if you haven't already, and then come back next time for something delicious. Enjoy!